I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Snowflake. First, navigate to the Snowflake website and begin the sign-up process. You'll need to choose your preferred Snowflake edition, such as Standard or Enterprise, and select your cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Next, pick a geographical region for your data. Finally, enter your email and company information to complete the registration and activate your account. Once your account is active, the next step is to create your first virtual warehouse. This warehouse provides the compute resources needed to process your data. Then, establish a new database where your tables and schemas will reside. Remember to assign appropriate roles and permissions to users, ensuring secure and controlled access to your data and compute resources within Snowflake. Now that your database is ready, it's time to load your data. You can stage your data in an internal Snowflake stage or an external location like an S3 bucket. Utilize the powerful copy into command to efficiently load data from your chosen stage into your Snowflake tables. Always monitor the loading process to ensure all data is transferred successfully and without errors. With your data loaded, you can now begin writing SQL queries to extract insights and perform analysis. Experiment with different warehouse sizes to optimize query performance and manage costs effectively. Regularly review your query history to identify areas for further optimization. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.